Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. Damian Junior Gong Marley is on the fence as it relates to improved quality of life for Jamaicans. The Gong, while on his recently concluded Welcome to Jamrock reggae cruise, says Jamaica still has some ways to go.
There's been a lot of improvements. There's still a lot of things that need to be improved. There's still a lot of work to be done. You know what I mean? So it's a part of evolution and growth.
Junior Gong made the comment as he compared present day to his 2005 hit single Welcome to Jamrock, which is laced with potent lyrics aimed at the then system.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
To jam down, where people are dead at random. Political violence can't done. Pure ghosts and phantom. The youth them get blind by stardom. Now the king of kings are called.
15 years later, Gong continues to push social agendas, this time addressing the issue of repatriation.
It is important for you to really go and reconnect with your history and your culture and your heritage, being from African descent, you know? And we really want to get away from that stereotype that Africa is not a great place to go and have a vacation or go and visit in the first place, much less to say even go and live. You know what I mean? So that's something that we're definitely trying to encourage people to go and experience Africa.
The song titled Brafi, Come Home, sees Marley collaborating with Fuse ODG. Fuse says he chose to work with Damian as he is the voice of the Caribbean and for Africans living outside of Africa, making reference to the Grammy-winning artist's work on the album Distant Relatives with American rapper Nas in 2010.
When we make music from the heart, we try to speak our own truth. We try to be ourselves in the music and still represent our family, our father, our heritage, our faith, and our country within our music also, you know what I mean? So we just do what we do.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.